What if you dropped a bowling ball into a black hole? Imagine you're on a cosmic bowling alley bombing and decide to hurl a 10-pin size bowling ball, well, 10-pound, into a black hole. First off, congratulations. You've just volunteered your favorite yard ornament for the universe's ultimate recycling program. As your bowling ball approaches the event horizon, the point of no return, it experiences just spaghettification. No, it won't turn into pasta noodles you can slurp. Instead, tidal forces stretch it lengthwise and compress it sideways so fiercely that your bowling ball becomes a molecular taffy stick. Those smooth finger holes? Gone. Now it's more like gooey cosmic candy. You might expect fireworks, but there's no cinematic boom. Instead, whatever light the ball reflects gets sucked in, and to outside observers, it seems to freeze it at the horizon, like a sitcom cut to black. Meanwhile, if you could, spoiler alert, you can't, tag along, you'd cross the horizon without noticing anything dramatic. No flashing neon signs reading, "Welcome to Nowhere," until the crushing gravity gives you a one-way ticket to Singularity City. Back on Earth, or wherever you are, your bowling buddies watch the ball fade out of sight. They might wonder if you just gutter-balled on a cosmic scale. Meanwhile, somewhere deep inside the black hole, your bowling ball joins a mysterious singularity party. Infinite density, zero volume, and definitely no snacks. So next time you consider tossing your gear into a black hole, maybe stick to recycling or returning it to the pro shop. At least there, the worst you'll get is a late fee.